Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to LOGOS classes. In my last video, I mentioned that I will give you a shortcut method or some trick to find out LCM of 3 or more numbers. Now we all know that what is LCM, that is least common multiple or lowest common multiple, and why we need to find out LCM, or when we want to find out the LCM. Only when we want to add or subtract two or more fractions, we want to find out the LCM of the denominators. Means we are making the denominators of the given fractions common. What are the methods in primary level we are learning in the school? First one we are learning in the school is taking the multiples of each denominators and marking the common multiples. Then taking the lowest or least one of the common multiple. Second one we are adopting is prime factorization. We are finding out the prime factors of each and every denominator, then taking the LCM. And the third method we are learning or studying in school is division method. There are some other methods also, that is the number tree method, Venn diagram, etc. etc. But all the above methods are time consuming. And another thing I want to tell you, first of all, let me tell you one general principle or general rule of the LCM. Means, suppose if you are taking the LCM of 2 or 3 fractions or more fractions, means we are taking the LCM of denominators. So, any sum, the denominators, means when we are taking the LCM will be the largest number of the denominators. If there are 4 denominators, the LCM will be either the largest number or the multiple of that number. This is a common rule. Please understand, LCM of the denominators, if there are 3 or 4, whatever it may be, the LCM of those denominators is the highest number, the biggest number, or the multiple of that number. Now, let us come to how we are following the easiest method of taking the LCMs. Okay? Now, for example, here 6, 18 and 24 is the denominators of the 3 fractions. We have to take the LCM of 3 numbers. So, just look into the numbers 6, 18 and 24. As I told you, the denominators, if there are 3 denominators, the LCM will be the highest number or multiple of that. Easiest method. It means the LCM can be 24 or multiple of 24s. So, for that, what you have to do? What is the first number? 6. Just check, this 6 is a factor of 24. Yes. Then we can cancel that number 6. 18 is a factor of 24. No. And what is 18? Is it a composite number or a prime number? If it is a prime number, then you have to multiply that prime number into the highest number. But if it is not a prime number, if it is a composite number, just take the next multiple of 24. Don't multiply this 18 and 24. What is the next multiple of 24? 24 one time is 24. 24 two times is, that is 48. 48. 18 is a factor of 48? No. Then take the next multiple. Third multiple of 24, that is 72. 72. 72 is a multiple of 24? Yes. 24 3 times is 72. Therefore, 72 is the LCM of 6, 18 and 24. Clear? Then, by the way, do you know what is a prime number and a composite number? Prime number means the number is not having any other factor other than 1 and the number itself. For example, 2 is a prime number, the factors are 1 and 2. 3 is a prime number, factors are 1 and 3. 5 is a prime number. Factors are 1 and 5. 7, 1 and 7. So, but 4 is a number having factors 1, 4 and 2 also. Though 4 is a composite number. So, if the 3 numbers or 4 numbers, whatever is coming, if this is a composite number, take the multiple of the largest number. Then check whether this is a factor of that number. If not, take the other multiple. Then it is a factor of this one. Now take 6 and 12, 6, 12 and 36. 36 is the biggest number. These are the three denominators of the given fraction. So 6 is a factor of 36. Yes, you can cut 6. 12 is a factor of 36. Yes, 12 3s are 36. So cut 12 also. So 36 is the LCM of the given factors. Clear. Now comes third one. For example, 8, 13 and 16 are the three denominators. We are going to take the LCM. 16 is the highest number. 8 and 13 are other numbers. 8 is a factor of 16. Yes, so we can cut 8. 13 is not a factor of 16, but 13 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number, not a composite number. Only 13 is having factor as 1 and 13 only. So, in this case, this kind of case, you just multiply 13 and 16. 13 and 16 or 16 into 13. This is here. You can see that you are getting the answer 208. So, 208 is the LCM of these three numbers. Now come to 4 digits, 4 denominators. For example, 5, 15, 20 and 30. Now, what is the largest number? 30. 5 is a factor of 30? Yes, you can cut 5. 15 is a factor of 30? Yes, you can cut. Whether 20 is a factor of 30? No. 20 will not go completely in 30. So, this is a composite number, not a prime number. So, don't multiply 20 and 30. So, what you have to do? Take the next multiple of 30, that is 30 into 2. 30 into 1 is first multiple is 30 itself. Second multiple is 60. 60 is the second multiple. So 20 is a factor of 60? Yes. Therefore, 60 is the LCM of these 4 numbers. Come to the other example. 4, 8, 17 and 24. 24 is the largest number. 4 is a factor of 24. 8 is a factor of 24. But 17 is not a factor of 24. What I told you, this is a prime number. If prime number is coming, you multiply that prime number and the largest number, biggest number, that is 24 into 17, you are getting 408. What we do usually in the general case, like this we will do. We are doing 4, 8, 17, 24. We will see, can we divide all the numbers by a single number or maximum number? Here, 3 numbers is completely divisible by 2. We are dividing by 2. We are getting 2, 4. 17 is not divisible by 2. Write as it is down. Then 24 divided by 2 is 12. Again, these 3 numbers are divided by 2. Again, 1, 2, 17 as it is we are writing. We cannot divide, and 6. Then 17 and 13. Only here 3 is only divisible 3. Then 17. So finished. Now we got the factors. This one is 2, 2, 2, 3 and 17. So multiply all the factors together. We will get the LCM 408. This is the initial method. We are primary level. We are doing this factorization division method. That is, here is 408. Here also 408. Now comes to the next one. 2, 3, 7 and 21. 21 is the biggest number. Now first we check 2 is a factor of 21? No. 3 is a factor? Yes. 7 is a factor? Yes. So 2 is a prime number. Then what you have to do? You multiply this prime number 2 and 42. The 42 is the LCM of all the 4 numbers. That 42 is divisible by 2, 3, 7 and 21. Now next example is 3, 9, 12 and 18. Same way, 18 is the biggest number, 3 is a factor, 9 is a factor, 12 is not a factor. But 12 is a composite number. So what you have to do? You have to take the next multiple. Don't multiply 12 and 18. Take the next multiple of 18. That becomes 36. So now 36, 12 is a factor of 36. Or 36 is a multiple of 12. Therefore, 36 is the LCM. Is it simple? Feeling simple? So the last example I am telling you, 3, 9, 21 and 42. 42 is the largest number, I told you. Then 42. 3 is a factor of 42. Yes. 21 is a factor of 42. Yes. But 9 is not a factor of 42. But 9 is not a prime number. It's a composite number. Then what you have to do? Don't multiply 9 and 42. Take the next multiple. 42 next multiple is 84. But 84 is still not a multiple of 9. So we will go for the third multiple. Third multiple is 42 into 3. That is 126. So 126 is definitely a multiple of 9, or 9 is a factor of 126. Therefore, 126 is the LCM of these 4 numbers. This is the easiest method for calculating the LCM without the division method or factorization method. I hope this is very clear to you all. In case if you have any doubt or clarification required, you can put it in the comments column. I will clear it in the next video. I will come again with a new topic in the next video. Thank you.